All right, so I'm here at a little park, and I am going to fly this. Maybe not the first time, but I've done a couple little flights in my backyard. But I'm gonna actually put it out here in some range and see how it goes. So it's all tuned up, as far as I know, and ready to fly. So let's see how she does. So looking at my flying here, I think I'm ready for the drone league. My flying sucks, but in my defense, I was not there trying to make fancy flight. Okay, I wasn't trying to do tricks. I was just trying to put it up in the air and fly it level. That's it. That's all I was trying to do, and the drone just wouldn't let me. It was going all over the place. Okay, so if you notice, I'm flying on here without using, or just using my goggle DVR. I did have this guy set up. It's Orca, but in one of my my gentle landings, it somehow ejected the SD card. So I have no video files from that flight. Sorry. So now, if you see here, if you look here, if you notice, it's flying and then it's just twisting and it's turning. It's like adjusting itself for whatever reason. Maybe it's something goofy with the gyro, or I don't know. But it's not good. Now you see here, I ended up having to disengage it. I had to disarm it in air because it was actually starting to fly away. I had the throttle all the way down, and it was still going up. The throttle was still going, and I was about to have a fly off. So that's why I disarmed it and then rearmed it again, and it seemed to take care of the problem. But I landed immediately, and I was done. Alright, so flight didn't go so well. There was times where, don't know, it was flying and all of a sudden it would just like jerk to the side. I think it has to do with the all-in-one flight controller being straight instead of being at a 45-degree angle like it was on the Cvatar. But that was corrected in Betaflight, so I don't know why it's doing that. And then somehow, if you look here, I lost a blade. Nut's still on there, but one of the props is gone. So, and like a newbie, I forgot to bring extra props. So that's it for today. Okay, so here I am again. I made some minor adjustments to the drone, or to the quad, through Betaflight, and let's see if it flies better than it did last time. Okay, so again, my flying is absolutely fucking amazing. So again, I'm just trying to fly it nice and smooth. You know, no tricks, no spins, no nothing. I just want it to go nice and straight and just, you know, bank nice and everything like that. And granted, I'm still learning how to fly these things. But it's very, very shaky, very, very shaky. Towards towards the middle, you'll see that or actually more towards the end, you'll see that it started just, I don't know, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so I got out there and I flew it. It definitely did better than it did the last time I went out there. Honestly, I don't know what the problem was. Part of the issue was that it would just all of a sudden jerk to the right or jerk to the left without me doing anything. It's just doing it on its own. Not entirely certain why, but I flew it today. It's still not quite smooth. It's still not quite what I really want it to be. So I don't know what's going on with that. I'm just gonna play around with it some more, and I'll throw out a different video here just to kind of, you know, I'm gonna try and do record my Betaflight configuration, but I'm having an issue with my Mac. For some reason, Betaflight just keeps randomly closing out. Doesn't matter what I'm doing or anything like that. So I don't want to be in the middle of doing some configurations and all of a sudden I lose everything. So I'm going to try and figure that problem out, and then I'll have some Betaflight video showing that. And other than that, other than just replacing the flight controller, which I'm fine with doing, and I'm actually probably going to order one up here right now. I'm still just dedicated to trying to see if I can get it to work with the Eachine parts, just for shits and giggles. Really, that's it. But thanks for watching. Enjoy.